Hi, honey girl. Hi, honey. Hi. Give me a hug and kiss you. I love you. Look at Daddy. All that stuff's off her tongue now. That's called thrush. And it hurts. And it's not very fun, right, Daddy? Yeah. And Mama been oiling her head so that cradle cap goes away. Yeah. And she's good as new. Has bad skin problems like her dad, I think. Yes, yes. Let's check out those little feet, sirs.
Mommy, come here.
Oh, look at those little baby feet.
Is the bus here?
Nope. Oh, but I saw one, Maddie. Maybe it's going around.
I know.
See, little peanut?